When performing structure modeling design work, changes to planar group locations can cause a tremendous amount of rework to other objects throughout the project. With the release of SSI 2020 R2.1, ShipConstructor is expanding the capabilities of parametric modeling with enhancements to the non-twisted stiffener and faceplate trim tool. Now, using the parametric association with planar group planes, modifications to associated non-twisted stiffeners and faceplates are automatically updated, saving huge amounts of time and reducing the possibility for error. By making use of predefined planes already existing within the model, the trim tool now parametrically modifies both non-twisted stiffeners and faceplates based on the link planar group position. This not only saves time, but reduces the inherent errors that are commonly associated with manually making these changes. With this release, ShipConstructor users can now simply right-click, select the trim option, and use existing planar groups to define the trim location. This function provides complete control over parametrically linked stiffeners and faceplates. Should there be changes to the planar group location, associated parts will be automatically updated across the entire model. In addition, the Part Information dialog now provides you with the ability to modify the parametric trim details with the click of a button, and having mirrored parts able to be automatically updated as well. Visit SSI's website or SSI Nexus to learn more about these features and to download the newest ShipConstructor release.